But once you start using a lip sleeping mask from Laneige, I feel like there's no going back. It's really missing out on this in life. So the fact that this mask is still available and it's still doing so well just goes to show the quality of the product. I love talking to you guys about these reasonable yet very high performing products. I was just waiting कि कब इसका full वाला size launch करेंगे. I have not got this in PR. Whatever the hell it was, I am very happy with the price that I've paid for this. I don't know why people don't talk about it, why it is not hyped up. I was somehow breaking out after using this. Certain products that grow on you. And I think I was too quick to judge this. किसी में fragrance है, किसी में paraben है, किसी में कुछ flavor है जो मुझे नहीं चाहिए था. Especially I think millennials, secret temptation used to be a thing, right? I am here to talk about these brands. I'm telling you, I am a foot cream obsessed person. Hey guys, hi, what's up? My name is Rukma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In my last video, I had shared some best sellers from Nykaa with you all. So basically, I had tried out some makeup and skincare products which basically are in the bestseller category, like अपने respective categories में. Those products are in the bestseller range, and I tried out some of them and I shared my personal reviews with all of you guys. Personal reviews in the sense कि अच्छे reviews तो इन products को मिले ही है because of which they are like best sellers, top sellers. But I wanted to personally check them out and try them out, and I've shared all of those products with you, and I promise that very soon I'll be back with a Nykaa haul. That is what today's video is going to be all about. It's a huge Nykaa haul. Now I have some fragrances to share with you, some skincare, body care. So excited for today's video because some of these products I think I've tried in the past, but most of these are like new things which I'm trying for the very first time. So without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, first up I have a skincare product with me. Now I was looking forward to buying this for a while now because I've heard so much about it. I have with me the lip sleeping mask from Laneige. Now I don't have like the original one जो थोड़ा सा reddish pink color में होता है ना, ये वो वाला नहीं है. This is more of like a pinkish purplish sort of a packaging, and this is in the variant Sweet Candy, and this is what the texture of the lip balm is. I've used quite a bit of this because my lips are super dry and I love using lip balms. I love experimenting with my lip balms. I like trying out new ones. So I was using the Candy Melts lip balm from Plum. Even that one is good, but once you start using a lip sleeping mask from Laneige, I feel like there's no going back because it really deserves the hype. It's so good. It's so moisturizing and so nourishing. Now, I usually don't just use it as a sleeping mask. I also apply it like during the day after I take my shower. Before I apply my lipstick, I like using it. So if you have like really bad chapped lips and if you have like a good budget, then I think you should definitely try out the lip sleeping mask from Laneige. Of course, you have cheaper variants, cheaper options available in the market. But I think if you can, spare out this kind of amount, then you should definitely try this one out once in your life. If you have dry lips like mine, I think I was really missing out on this in life, and now I know what I was missing out on basically. So you can also try out the original version. Even that has like great reviews, very hyped for so many years now, and for a lot of people, it's their like staple lip balm. But I have been trying the Sweet Candy variant, like I said, and I love the color. I love this sitting next to my bed on the side table. I love using it every day, each and every day. And yeah, you guys should definitely try this one out. Now, of course, this came in a Nykaa Luxe packaging because for the smaller packaging, which is this one, this is a 8-gram packaging. It costed me rupees 600. If you go in for the bigger packaging, which is the 20-gram wala packaging, that will cost you rupees 1420. Now, इसमें जो quantity आपको मिलता है ना, I think it should easily last you for more than a month, even if you use it every single day. So it depends on your usage. If you want something for travel, and I think you should definitely pick this one up. I was trying this out for the first time, so I thought I'll start with the smaller packaging, and then now that I love it so much, definitely next time I'm going to pick up the 20-gram wala packaging. It's a really good lip balm. Do try it out. Next up, I'm going to talk to you guys about a face mask. I have with me the Green Tea Clear Face Mask from Plum. Now, this face mask is absolutely amazing. I remember using this a lot during the lockdown. I think it was launched somewhere around in 2020, and it's 2025, and it's still there in the market, and I still love using it so much. Nowadays, we have so much of competition, so much of good products floating in the market that if something is not amazing or not spectacular, it will not last through so many years, right? So the fact that this mask is still available and it's still doing so well just goes to show the quality of the product. product. Now this face mask, basically like the name suggests, has green tea in it. Now this does not have a clayey texture. The texture is very creamy. Hence for dry skin people, I think it's an amazing face mask. Like, I am a dry skin gal, so I love applying it because it doesn't, feel very flaky or doesn't stretch my skin a lot. Of course, because it's in a creamy texture, it does take a substantial amount of time to dry out. Like, it will take you 20 to 30 minutes to dry out, but once it's dried out, it'll give you like such a refreshed feeling, give you like bright glowing skin, which you're gonna love. And yeah, I think it'll really help you with your acne and your acne blemishes as well, which is something that I've been suffering for a little bit recently, a little bit of blemishes here and there. I've used this like twice or thrice recently, and I can already see some improvement in my acne. So yeah, it's a very, very good face mask. I think this is priced around rupees 500, so a very good price point as well. Because you get 60 grams of product in here, and face masks are something which we usually use like once a week, once in 10 days. So yeah, अगर आप लोग वैसे weekend routine में use करोगे तो आप लोग को एक महीने से ज़्यादा भी चल जाएगा. Very, very good mask. I have used this in the past, and I was just waiting to buy it again and use it, and I love it. For dry skin people, it's a must try product. Alright, next product is a very, very, very exciting product. I was dying to talk to you guys about this because the small little community that I've built here on YouTube, I love talking to you guys about these reasonable yet very, very high performing products. And the next one is something which exactly fits the bill. So I have a fragrance product to talk to you guys about, and I'm so excited to show you the product. But before I show it to you, I'm gonna give you like a little bit of a backstory. It's gonna take max 10 to 20 seconds, you guys. So recently I had purchased a skincare set from Foxtail, and that came in separately, of course. And 2 days later from Amazon, I get a small sample from Foxtail, which was an EDP from Foxtail. I didn't know Foxtail makes EDPs, so of course it was a sample size EDP, and I loved using it. And I was just waiting कि कब इसका full वाला size launch करेंगे Foxtail, and they have launched it, and that product is here and it's with me. And let me show you the packaging. Such a wonderful packaging this is. Like, of course I've purchased this with my own money. I have not got this in PR, but look at this, you guys. Even the packaging is so attractive, so well thought out. I'm so impressed with Foxtail after receiving this EDP. Like, I've used quite a few of their products and I love their products, but this particular EDP na, iska jo packaging hai mujhe बहुत impressive laga. So you basically have to open this like a cupboard kind of a situation, and there you have your perfume, you have the EDP. So this is the Valley of Flowers EDP from Foxtail, very, very freshly launched, and such an amazing launch. I think I was really looking out for something like this. Now, I have discussed a lot of EDPs, a lot of perfumes on a lot of my videos, and I keep telling you guys that for me, the best fragrance or something that I can just continue using, just keep using, is something which is a combination of fruity, floral and vanilla, or fruity, floral and musk. Okay, I love that combination. This fits the bill perfectly because it has that combination. Okay, now first of all, I want to appreciate the packaging. It's a very luxe kind of a packaging, but under a budget. The MRP is somewhere around 900 rupees, but I got a 20% off and I got it for 700 rupees. It probably was a launch offer or a Nykaa offer, whatever the hell it was. I am very happy with the price that I've paid for this, because I'm going to talk to you guys about the fragrance. Of course, the notes are mentioned on this beautiful packaging as well, so I'm going to discuss about the notes with you all. So yeah, and it's also very long lasting. Okay, I love the color of the bottle as well. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Wow, like, you actually, once you sniff it, you will actually feel like you are in a valley of flowers. That's all I can tell you at the moment, because I am not exceptional at describing fragrances. I try my best. Okay, so इसके notes जो है वो मैं definitely आप लोगों के साथ share करना चाहूँगी. It has jasmine, pear, green mandarin, cinnamon and Madagascar vanilla. So like I said, the perfect combination of fruity, floral and vanilla. I am a fan of all of those notes. So it's a really nice EDP. Like I said, just costed me around 750 or something, and I love it. It's very long lasting, and I have received compliments with this for whatever once or twice that I have applied it. I have received compliments, and it's a really good EDP. I think you should definitely try this one out. Next up, I have another skincare product. I have with me the Dot & Key Retinol Plus Ceramide Night Repair Cream. Now, I have, fixed quite a nice night skincare routine for myself. I don't use a plethora of products. I don't use like 5-6 products. No, I don't do that. I keep experimenting. I repurchase whatever works very nice for me, and this, I'm very sad to say, has not really worked the best for me. Now I was trying this retinol cream from Earth Rhythm. I will pop up a picture here. Guys, this one is amazing. I don't know why people don't talk about it, why it is not hyped up. If you're looking for a good retinol night skincare routine ke liye, of course, then please try out the Earth Rhythm one. Ye wala jo hai na Dot & Key se, it's not bad. I'm not saying that it's not going to suit any one of you all, but mujhe personally ye wala jo cream tha, retinol plus ceramide night repair cream, it did not suit me. I was somehow breaking out after using this. I did not break out like massively because I've started using this only for the last 3 weeks, I think, and you can see my skin. There's no massive breakout, but मुझे ना एक दो acne आ रहे थे. And till the time I was using the Earth Rhythm retinol or I was using the Snail Mucin from Cosrx, मुझे ऐसा कुछ भी breakout का issue नहीं होता था. So I'm a little upset because of that. But besides that, I think the texture and everything is very nice. It has a very subtle smell, of course, but if you look at the texture, it's very very nice. Like बहुत अच्छे से ना आपके skin में seep in कर जाएगा. So I think for dry skin people, if you're looking for a good retinol cream, you can try this out. Of course, like I said, it did not work out for me. I will personally tell you to use the Earth Rhythm one, but मैंने भी इसको खरीदा है तो मैं तो खत्म तो करूँगी इसको. Why should I waste my money? Now coming to the price point, this one is priced at $695, which I think is a good price for a retinol cream. Of course, Dot & Key products are usually very very good. I love their moisturizers, by the way. But yes, like I said, if you want to, you can try this one out. Otherwise, I will personally suggest to go for the Earth Rhythm retinol cream. Next up, I have a body care product, which is again one of the very hyped up products. Recently काफी बात हो रही है इसके बारे में. I have the Be Body Wise 4% AHA BHA underarm roll-on with me. Now, I had in one of my previous videos spoken to you guys about this roll-on, not directly but indirectly. Now guys, there are certain products that grow on you. And I think I was too quick to judge this because I was trying to figure out कि इसका hype इतना है क्यों. मतलब अगर ये इतना ही बेकार product है जो मुझे initially लगा था, तो why are people talking about it so much? But now that I've used this product for a while, like around a month, I use this regularly after my shower on my underarms, and I definitely have seen a change, a slight change in the pigmentation. My issue with this is the odor game. Like, see, of course, an underarm roll-on cannot help you from sweating, cannot not make you sweat, right? If I'm making sense, you will sweat. It's the summer season, you will sweat. But an underarm roll-on should be able to handle the odor, shall be able to cut down the odor. Now, I don't sweat that much. I'm being very honest here, no bragging here. That's just my skin type, my body texture, my body type. I don't sweat a lot. This vanishes into nothing. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. So for pigmentation, yes, this does help me. Of course, the AHA, BHA might have a role to play in that. But my odor game, I think I'm again dependent on the body mists and the EGPs that I use. This doesn't really help me in my odor game. You can try this one out. It's a very, very hyped up product. It might just work for you. Pigmentation wise, definitely try this one out. Its price bhi theek thak hai. It's for $350, which I think is a good price point. So yeah, you can try it out. Next product which I have is a skincare product. It's a hair care product also. So I have with me the aloe vera gel from Wow Skin Science. This is what the product looks like. Now, I know it's not a new launch. It's not a recently launched product. काफी time से ये product market में है, but I had never used their aloe vera gel. Now, aloe vera gel, guys, घर पे लगता ही रहता है. It helps as a moisturizer. आप hair care में use कर सकते हो for getting like soft and smooth hair. If you have like a bruise or a cut, आप वहाँ पे aloe vera gel use कर सकते हो. So aloe vera gel has a lot of uses. तो मैं घर में रखती हूँ aloe vera gel. But आजकल ना मार्केट में इतने सारे अडल्टरेटेड एलोवेरा जेल्स आने लगे हैं. किसी में फ्रेग्रेंस है, किसी में पैराबिन है, किसी में कुछ फ्लेवर है जो मुझे नहीं चाहिए था. What attracted me about this particular aloe vera gel is that it is a 99% pure aloe vera with no parabens, no silicone, no mineral oil, no color, no synthetic fragrance, and dermatologically tested. It suits all skin and all hair types. And you get 150 ml of aloe vera gel in here, I think, which is a great product. And I of course love the packaging because this literally legit looks like an aloe vera stem, which is so innovative and thoughtful. So I completely love this. It's a very like nice compact kind of a packaging. I love the texture of this aloe vera gel so much. जब भी मैं आजकल ना recently face razors use करती हूँ for my upper lips or like for my little bit of eyebrows, I love using this. मैं इसको लगाती हूँ and then I do my face shaving वाला thing with the face razors. And It's so good. It's really, really nice. If you're traveling somewhere and if you carry this can help you in so many ways, like hair care kar lo, moisturize kar lo skin ko. It's like so good, right? So if you're looking for a good aloe vera gel, I think don't look here and there, because बहुत सारे products है market में. I know बहुत सारे products flood हो चुके हैं market में. Pure aloe vera gel ढूंढ रहे हो, then I think you should definitely reach out to the Wow aloe vera gel. Now this one is a 150 ml packaging, and I think this is under rupees 300 when you have sales, so it's a very good product. Right, next up I have another EDP with me. This one is from a brand which not too many people talk about on the internet for whatever reason. I'm not getting into that. I don't know why that is. This one is from the brand Secret Temptation. I was really curious to try out some brands, because I think Gen Zs and millennials को आज भी ये brand बहुत अच्छा लगता है, especially I think millennials. Secret Temptation used to be a thing, right? So it still is, I feel. मैंने बहुत दिनों से यूज नहीं किया था, but मुझे इतना tempting लगा ना, इसका पैकेजिंग, इसका product का color and everything. I was really looking forward. Now this one is the Dream EDP from Secret Temptation. Now, of course, I'm placing the notes on the screen. This one is crazy. Like, this one is again another fragrance which I think I've hit the bullseye, because again इसमें सारे वो notes है जो मुझे पसंद है. फ्रूटी भी है, like इसमें लेमन का, पेयर का मुझे एसेंस आ रहा है, इसमें फ्लोरल भी है. फ्लोरल में what can I smell? I can smell a little bit of jasmine, and I think rose as well, if I'm not wrong. And it has musk, like undernotes में इसके musk है, which is so beautiful. Exactly the combination that I love and enjoy using. Now this I have used quite frequently, like recently, and this is a super long lasting EDP under a budget. This I think is a 100 ml bottle, if I'm not wrong, and this will cost you somewhere around 700, which is the MRP. But sales के time पे I'm sure आपको उसके कम में भी ये मिल जाएगा. So if you guys are under a budget looking for a good EDP, good packaging, trustworthy, like traditional brand, and I think you can definitely try this one out. I don't know. Trust me, I don't know why people don't talk about these brands. I am here to talk about these brands to you guys, and such a good product, definitely try this one out. Next up I have another EDP, but it's a mini, like a small packaging, because जब मैं office जाती हूँ, in my office pouch I usually prefer carrying छोटे packaging. Now this one is from Moe by Nykaa, and the name of the EDP is this. I don't know how to pronounce this. I don't know what language this is. Most likely this is French, but yes, I do not know how to pronounce it, so I don't want to mispronounce it and make a joke out of myself. So I'm just placing the name here. Of course, all of these products, guys, chill. All of these products will be linked in the description box नीचे, तो वहाँ से check out कर सकते हो. ये मैंने obviously पहले भी use किया हुआ है. इसका मैंने actually I think mini या full कुछ तो मैंने यूज किया हुआ है पहले. सो आई लव दिस. इट हैज लाइक सिट्रसी एंड वुडी नोट्स का कॉम्बिनेशन. इज वेरी फ्रेश. सो द मोमेंट यू अप्लाई इट ना, यू फील वेरी फ्रेश एंड यू लाइक रेडी टू गो. इट्स दैट काइंड ऑफ अ फ्रेग्रेंस. तो आप इसको किसी वेकेशन पे यूज कर सकते हो, डेली वेयर में भी यूज कर सकते हो. लाइक छोटा पैकेजिंग है तो आप इसको अपने पर्स में रख के, हैंड बैग में रख के, यू आर जस्ट रेडी. एंड दिस वन इज ओनली फॉर ₹279. सो इफ यू गाइज आर लुकिंग फॉर अ गुड सिट्रसी एंड अ वुडी कॉम्बिनेशन वाला फ्रेग्रेंस, डू ट्राई दिस वन आउट. आई थिंक आई हैव गिवन यू लाइक गुड फ्रेग्रेंस रिकमेंडेशन इन टुडेज वीडियो. एक लाइक तो आप कर ही देना वीडियो को प्लीज, एंड प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर लेना मेरे चैनल को, एंड ऑल्सो हिट द बेल आइकन राइट नेक्स्ट टू, सो दैट ईच टाइम आई अपलोड न्यू वीडियो you get notified. And with that, we've reached almost the end of the video, because we are left with one last product. Let's just show it to you and wrap it up for today. All right, the last product for today's video is going to be this foot cream I have with me, the Vilva foot cream. Now this I think I'd shown you recently in my a monthly favorites video, if I'm not wrong. हाँ, monthly favorites में मैंने आप लोग को दिखाया था. But I had to repurchase this because मेरा जो existing foot cream था यार, वो खत्म हो गया था, and I just cannot live without this. This foot cream has mint in it, and it has a very nice creamy texture, which makes my feet so hydrated and moisturized, which I absolutely love. So if you guys are looking for a good foot cream, do try this one out. This is from the brand Vilva. There are of course a number of foot creams available in the market on Nykaa, but trust me, I am telling you, I am a foot cream obsessed person. I keep trying different foot creams, and आप अगर मेरा रिव्यू लेना चाहते हो ना, आपके हील्स पे बस ये लगाओ रात को एंड सो जाओ, या तो एडिशनली आप एक जेल सॉक्स भी लगा सकते हो, जिसके बारे में मैंने अपने प्रीवियस वीडियो में बात की हुई है. मेरे बेस्ट सेलर्स फ्रॉम नायका के वीडियो में बात की हुई है. डू चेक दैट वन आउट. फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट ही था वो वीडियो में, चेक कर लेना. इसको अगर आपने लगा लिया फुट क्रीम, उसके बाद वो जेल सॉक्स, फिर आराम से सो जाओ. इन द मॉर्निंग यू विल वेक अप विद वेरी नाइस मॉइस्चराइज्ड हाइड्रेटेड सॉफ्ट हील्स, व्हिच इज लाइक such a mood lifter, right? So yeah, this was the foot cream. Do try this one out. All right, you guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and place your beautiful comments down below. आज के वीडियो के प्रोडक्ट्स को लेके अगर आप लोगों को किसी भी तरह का डाउट है, प्लीज मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछने से हिचकिचाना मत. डू नॉट हेजिटेट. I will of course respond to each and every one of you, and it was great coming back here and meeting you guys again, and I will again meet you very soon with a fresh video with some other interesting topic like an Amazon haul or like my hair care routine video. So I'm very excited. I will shoot that also very soon and put that out for you as well. So it was lovely meeting you. Like I said, I will see you very soon again. Till the next time, love you, take care, lots and lots of love, you guys. Bye bye.